Okay, so today we have a fridge. I believe it's a Jenn-Air fridge that a compressor is seized and is kind of not working mostly, but intermittently does. So we're gonna replace it so it will be working consistently. So just grab the tools and we'll go inside. Okay, so we already got the fridge out. And here's the compressor and the inverter. You can see the discoloration on the inverter body because of excessive heat, so that's why it's not always kicking the compressor on, and so we're gonna replace those two today. Okay, so we are advancing here. We got the compressor out. Next we'll take that dryer filter out, and then we'll install the new ones and we'll progress to the next step. Okay, so now we are at the next step, which is brazing in the new compressor and the new dryer filter, and we'll get that done very quickly here, and then we'll start testing the system. Okay, so all the compressor and everything is inside. Now we are just running some tests here, just making sure we've done a good job. So we are checking here the line, and we are hoping it will stay straight like that, and then we know that we don't have a leak in the system, and so we'll finish that step and continue to the next step. Okay, so yeah, we are at the last stage here. System is already recharged, compressor in, compressor is already running with the inverter board. A new inverter board is also installed, and so we're just gonna let it run a little bit, make sure we have a good cooling and pressure, and then we'll button it up all and put the fridge back in its place. So we're almost done here. Okay, so we put a fridge, it's all back in place, all installed. It's already getting colder there. It's already 7 in the freezer. Should be, we want it at 0 and already 38 here. So they're all working and all looking good. Job is complete.